Hi guys, welcome to Team Tech Dom. In today's video, we're going to look at exercise 4.2, which is about for loops. And it's from the book Python Crash Course by Eric Matisse. Let's look at the question. 4.2. Animals. Think of at least 3 different animals that have a common characteristic. Store the names of these animals in a list and then use a for loop to print out the name of each animal. Modify your program to print a statement about each animal, such as a dog would make a great pet. Add a line at the end of your program stating what these animals have in common. You could print a sentence such as any of these animals would make a great pet. So you notice this exercise is similar to what we did in exercise 4.1. It's all about for loop iterating through a list, except this time we're working with another list, animal list. Okay, so I'm going to create a list called animals, and it's going to contain 3 animals that have similar characteristics. I'm going to use domestic animals and dogs, cats, okay, so I'm going to iterate through this list. So for animal in animals and print animal. So animal is my iterable variable here. You can use something like I in place of animal, but this just is readable for animal in animals. We can print all of this: dogs, cats, and fish. Right. So the next part requires us to modify this for loop to print a statement. First, I'm going to use the format string method. So it's my placeholder. We'll make a great pet. So that's format. And I pass in the name, which is animal, the iterable variable. So exercise 4.1, I use the f string method for this. We're just going to use formatted string here instead. Okay, let's see. Alright, let me just adjust this a bit. Then I can add a okay. The next part of the program says I should print out something they all have in common. This means I'm going to print this outside of this for loop. Let me check it out. Add a line at the end of your program stating what these animals have in common. Print a statement such as any of these animals would make a great pet. In my case, I'm just going to print these animals. They are all domestic animals. That should do. Alright. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you when I see you.